Okay, here we are at SyncroFest, and we're like crows to shiny metal, so here's your shiny metal.
The new stuff this year.
And we got Tom Lingell here from Syncro Shop.
Good morning.
Yeah. And so here's a Syncro Shop decoupler, and this is a Syncro Shop
Custom
billet
valve,
vacuum valve. And this here is Pioneer Machine Werks billet low gear housing, which is a masterpiece. It has these, here's the mounting ears. They bolt on the side there. All right. And this is a Pioneer Machine Werks Gear Carrier. It's another billet piece, very shiny. And incidentally, here is an Alica Motor Specialties cup. Alica couldn't be with us this year. We all miss him. And this is a Peloquin Heavy-Duty differential. It's a planetary differential, but it's a different arrangement here. It's got double tapered roller bearings for each flange, and this side screw is solid steel, and this is made for 930 CVs. It's an awesome piece, and it's towards $6,000 and there's only 5 of them. You got to call Mike at Rancho if you want one.